Across the mortal realms, countless heroes rise and fall. Kings build empires, only to see them crumble. Armies march to war and vanish beneath the tides of chaos. Yet when darkness threatens to consume all hope, the god King Sigmar calls upon his greatest champions. The Questor Soulsworn are not ordinary warriors. They are veteran Stormcast Eternals who have abandoned the safety of their celestial strongholds to undertake sacred quests across the mortal realms. Each warrior is bound by an oath. Each quest is a mission of immense importance. Some seek lost relics, others hunt powerful enemies. Many travel alone or in small bands, carrying Sigmar's will into the darkest corners of existence. Today, this legendary warband will be painted for a friend who requested a clean and heroic finish, a choice that may come as a surprise. Normally, the warriors of Chimera Wargaming bear the scars of endless conflict. Rusted armor, weathered cloaks, battle damage, and centuries of warfare are often part of the story. After all, heroes who have fought through countless battles rarely emerge untouched. But every project tells a different story, and for these champions, a cleaner appearance helps capture their noble and heroic nature. Before the painting begins, a huge thank you goes to Green Stuff World for supporting Chimera Wargaming and helping bring projects like this to life. Now the quest begins. As with any Stormcast project, the armor becomes the natural starting point. A solid white primer provides the perfect foundation for the colors that will follow. The bright undercoat helps the metallics remain vibrant and ensures that every detail sculpted into these incredible miniatures remains visible. The Questor Soulsworn wear armor forged in the heavens themselves. Armor blessed by Sigmar and tempered through countless campaigns. To capture that noble appearance, rich metallic gold tones from Green Stuff World are applied across the plates. Almost immediately, the miniatures begin to transform. The armor catches the light beautifully, creating the impression of warriors standing beneath celestial skies. Once the metallic layers have been established, a controlled wash is applied. This step helps define every rivet, every engraved detail, and every overlapping arm or plate. The shadows deepen, the contrast increases. The miniatures begin to gain depth and character, unlike a Grimdark approach, where dirt and battle damage dominate the surface. The goal here is elegance. These warriors should appear disciplined, maintained, ready for their next sacred mission. With the armor complete, attention shifts toward the fur details found throughout the warband. A rich brown tone from Green Stuff World establishes the foundation. These elements help break up the metallic surfaces while adding warmth to the overall color scheme. The texture of the fur naturally catches highlights, making it an enjoyable area to paint. To bring the details to life, zombie flesh is used to create subtle highlights across the raised areas. The lighter tones help separate individual strands and create a more realistic appearance. As the highlights build up, the fur begins to feel softer and more natural, providing a pleasing contrast against the polished armor. The weapons and equipment are where the character of each warrior truly begins to emerge. Every blade tells a story. Every shield represents battles fought and victories earned to add additional visual interest. Candy inks from Green Stuff World are applied to the weapon grips and selected details. These vibrant colors create a beautiful richness that would be difficult to achieve using standard paints alone. Small details often have a surprisingly large impact on the final miniature. The more these subtle elements are refined, the more believable the entire model becomes. At this stage, the Questor Soulsworn are beginning to look less like miniatures and more like legendary heroes brought to life, although the overall finish remains clean and heroic. Some degree of contrast is still essential. A careful application of Andalusian earth helps define the details even further. The wash settles naturally into the recesses, creating shadows that enhance the sculpt without overwhelming it. This is one of those simple techniques that can dramatically improve a miniature. The armor gains additional depth. The textures become easier to read. The details become more pronounced. Every layer contributes toward creating a stronger visual presence on the tabletop. With the armor complete, attention turns toward one of the most striking features of the Questor Soulsworn, their cloaks. Imperium blue is chosen as the primary color. The rich blue immediately reinforces the connection between these warriors and Sigmar himself. Blue has long been associated with nobility, loyalty, and duty, all qualities that perfectly reflect the nature of the Questor Soulsworn. The color is applied smoothly across the fabric before brighter highlights are introduced on the most exposed folds. This helps create movement and gives the cloth a natural appearance. To further enrich the shadows, ether blue wash from Green Stuff World is applied. The wash flows naturally into the recesses and folds, increasing contrast while preserving the vibrancy of the original color. As the layers settle, the cloaks begin to feel alive, flowing behind these warriors like banners carried into battle. The Questor Soulsworn are more than mortal warriors. They are Stormcast Eternals, champions forged from heroic souls and empowered by the divine will of Sigmar. When a Stormcast falls in battle, their soul is carried back to Aesir upon a bolt of celestial lightning. There they are reforged and sent once more into the endless war for the mortal realms. Lightning is not merely part of their symbolism, it is part of their very existence. To capture this supernatural energy, ether blue wash is combined with master medium from Green Stuff World and applied to the weapons. This creates a subtle magical glow that settles beautifully across the surface. The effect becomes even stronger when layered over cobalt blue, one of Green Stuff World's shifting colors. As light moves across the miniature, the weapon appears charged with celestial power. To push the effect further, a simple OSL technique is introduced. Nuclear white is used as the brightest point of illumination. From there, tropical turquoise helps expand the glow and create smooth transitions between the brightest and darkest areas. The result is a weapon that feels alive with heavenly energy, a weapon worthy of Sigmar's chosen champions. And here they stand, the Questor Soulsworn, champions of the God King, questing heroes, carrying divine purpose into the darkest reaches of the mortal realms. While a weathered and battle-worn finish will always hold a special place within the halls of Chimera Wargaming, there's something undeniably impressive about seeing these warriors presented in a cleaner and more heroic style. Their armor shines, their cloaks flow proudly, their weapons crackle with celestial energy, ready to answer Sigmar's call, ready to face impossible odds, ready to continue their eternal quest. A final thank you goes to Green Stuff World for supporting Chimera Wargaming and helping make projects like this possible. Hopefully, this tutorial has provided some inspiration for your own projects. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more painting tutorials, hobby content, and adventures across the mortal realms. And here they are, the Questor Soulsworn in all their power, ready for battle.